Please.
Assalamualaikum.
Yes.
So this question is on behalf of another lady. She asks, if a person is honoured with his Janaza prayer being performed by a prophet or Khalifatul, could we assume that he will go to heaven?
No. No guarantee. On this earth, there is no guarantee for anybody to go to heaven, because there was no guarantee even vis-a-vis Hazur Akram sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and the Holy Quran mentions it clearly. When Holy Quran forbade Hazur Akram sallallahu alayhi wa sallam to say the Janaza of Munafiqeen, and it said, Allah told him that if you do istighfar for them, ask forgiveness for them 70 times, even then Allah will not forgive. And Hazur Akram sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is known to have said that if I knew that Allah would forgive them, if I said it 71 times, I would do it 71 times or more than that. But that was a categorical denial on the part of Allah that there are certain diseased people, bitter enemies of yours, whom even if you crave pardon for them, I am not going to pardon. So if Hazur Akram sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says their Janaza and they are not to be pardoned, who is the Khalifa as compared to Hazur Akram sallallahu alayhi wa sallam?